Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Today's video is 9 glam high-end DIYs. Now if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright DIY Glamettes, let's get started. And this portion of the video is sponsored by Causeway. Causeway is an Amazon online seller. My package come like this. And this is the Causeway food processor and blender. It's 500 watts. Professional food chopper with blades. 3-speed adjustment. Dual safety lock design. Large capacity for bowls, crushing, slicing, shredding, and juicing. Now this is what the food processor will look like. I'm going to show you, but I'm also going to demonstrate that blender for you. Now you guys, I'm dropping Causeway information down in my description box. They have a vast array of supplies and home accessories. Please make sure you do check them out. Their link is down in my description box. And it also has multiple functions in one design. It has a ABS stainless steel, 2 speeds and pulse function, you guys. It has a powerful motor with large feed chute, and it's very safe and easy to use. It is also 100% dishwasher safe with the large capacity. But this is what that food processor looks like set up, you guys. And I'm not going to use the food processor, but I am going to show you the blender. And again, make sure that you check out Causeway link in my description. Now here's the blender, you guys. Now this blender does have a lock function, as well as the top has a lock function as well. Once again, it has the 2 speeds and the pulsing speed, you guys. Now this also has the suction cups on the bottom of the blender. Once you put it in place, it actually locks in place as well. Now that we've cleaned the blender, we're going to do a fruit smoothie real quick. And I'm just taking my apples, my pineapples, and my kiwi. And this is a smoothie that I like to drink. And I always peel 2 apples for this smoothie. I'll peel one without the hulls and leave one with the apple hulls on. But we're just going to add it in. I'm going to add some of that pineapple juice, some water, and some ice as well. You guys, let me know what the blending speed, you guys, is very, very quick. And you guys, you will be seeing this blender used quite a bit. You're going to be seeing that showcase on that Glam Queen vlogs and that Fit for a Queen channel. Make sure you do check those out, as well as down in the description. Now that I have blended my fruit, we're getting ready to sample this. And once again, this multifunction blender food processor is easy to. Now for these first 2 DIYs, we're taking these lamps and I'm going to revamp them and turn it into vases. And then I'm using this smoke gray paint. We're gonna take the cord apart and deconstruct it just a little bit. You guys, I just need you to follow me along. All 9 of these glam high-end DIYs are going to be very, very simple, easy to follow, and easy to replicate. Please let me know throughout the comments which one is your favorite and which one you'll be willing to remake yourself.
There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest, can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes do come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes do come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump.
We're bringing these DIYs to a close. Let me know which one of them was your favorite down in the comments section. And two, if you're still watching and you're not a part of that Glam Queen brand, please make sure you subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, and Fit for Queen. All links are in the description box. Also, make sure you check out Causeway. Their information is down in my description as well. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.